For nothing can I from love's thought depart, that I shall not yet have joyful recompense. For never did love make me love without sense. So long a time, with never changing heart, the most courtly lady, and the gayest, and the most pleasing that God made the blithest. So I give thanks for the ills I undergo, for the pleasures that I await from them to know. Well, shall I thank them then when they draw near? The good saints I thank, the ills while they are here. That made me choose the most worthy in defense of the world, and the most full of intelligence, who with fair speech and gentle converses art holds all folk and keeps them well contented, guarding her good worth that it not be dented. So I grow proud, or do I know it's so, because I love her, but by God I can't let go. For love can make a faithful lover's cheer, from the small man as from the great appear. Therefore a lady should not prize too much the mart of riches, more than not one in 100 dents of rich men who love with pure love's evidence. Rather they think one ought to love them for their part. So I pray, my lady, let it not allay her. A rich man nor toward herself, let him draw near her. For swiftly his love comes and lightly goes its way. But as for me who am not rich, let it please her stay. For the harm I bear for her through all the year is honor to me, though I have her to fear. With all other folk I know how to play my part and know how to hold my bearings, proper sense. But with her, which would be gentlest in pretense, I know not what to say or do with all my heart. Do you know why? Because I am afraid that the welcome and the gay solace she made and the fair face she shows, I might lose sheer if I went to her praying and drawing near. A good lady who has worth and excellence, when no one has the boldness or the confidence to dare to ask her love right from the start. But when she is foolish and wicked in her nature, every man prays and tests her at his leisure. And it seems that someone pleases her, I fear, by the foolish behaviors that she shows him here. But to a good lady worthy of reverence, hardly does a man dare speak his heart's intention. If this song to my lady brings good cheer, I have it in my heart to make more appear.